Well, yeah, as surprising as it sounds, there was a big snail sticking on our window. He was just like climbing up on there. And also, although it's just a little flood in the balcony. Yep, that's because of all the rain we had yesterday. But for now, oh my god. Now that felt like a tiny swimming pool. So what's the weather like today? Well, it's sunny along with the clouds. It was only expected not to rain as much as yesterday. Geez, I'm so not gonna go out on this balcony again until it dries. But the sun will dry it out. And crazy thing, we don't have the same problem in that one. Nope. Doesn't even look like it. We don't have the same problem in this balcony compared to the other. So I'm just watching this lid of a slime can swim around this pond. What the hell is going on? Oh. Huh? Oh crap. Crap.
Çocuk gibisin ya. Pardon Esra, özür dilerim bile diyemiyorsun. Bir şey söylüyorum. Ha, ay canım. Bağırmadan konuşmayın.
Oh, jeez. That was insane. Just about the 23rd of June, when we'll be beginning our trip. Well, we've been talking about it. You see, yesterday I spoke to you about it, that we would be having debates about that, so it's actually not so bad. And also, you guys, not only the debates, well, apparently the date might change, like, since it's not so close to us yet, like compared to 3 weeks and 1 week, like it's not too close to us yet. Like that's like 1 week before summer vacation begins. And well, I mean we're not so far away from there either, but we're not so close to it either. So another thing is, well, see what time it is. It's 2:15 p.m. you guys, 2:15. And later on I'm gonna be moving to the gym to watch some basketball stuff. But yeah, time to time I do these kind of things whenever I feel like I should, because going to the sports center to go swimming is rather like a relaxing thing after you feel like you've been overwhelmed a lot, whether in the last 4 hours or in the last several days, or if you just feel so thirsty. But yeah, I am gonna go to the gym today. It's kind of cloudy. It's also like 15C, 59F. Well, the good thing is that it still hasn't rained yet. We still haven't had any rain so far. But sometimes I feel like going to sports centers, either if it's just a day like that. But yeah, still, sometimes it's actually makes the person... Okay, think of a stick man, okay? When a stick man gets so much thoughts in his mind basically about one thing for the next 2 days, then he would rather walk out one day, and after that mind overwhelms him, he jumps in the swimming pool, swims and swims and swims. Yeah, you see, that stick man enjoys the pool, rather, if it's a warm pool. And then the stick man finishes his swimming session, and then to warm up a little bit more, he moves to the sauna. You see, that's what Stickman would obviously do when it's a cloudy day, when the temperatures are under normal. So the Stickman would like to fresh and swim around. Also get into the water in a jacuzzi. Well, in some places it does feel like a jacuzzi, but it's a kid's pool. But anyway, next thing, the sauna. Warm up in the sauna. You want to become like a baked food. Like in the oven. And then you move out again. And you feel like, that was comfortable. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do today. That's what I normally do when it's a cool and cloudy day. However, tomorrow we're going to be taking another break from that rain. And from all that weird clouds. Well, apparently in the parking lot, it came a little bit cloudy. But sometimes it occurs to be a lot of people at one point. You see there now also trying to be that Stickman. Unlike those pleasant guys. I mean, they would never be like an exhausted Stickman. Oh, jeez, it has come again. Now there's like new Stickman. Out there. That should be like the rush hour thing. You know, like when you go home after work, whether if it's an exhausting work day or not, returning from work is the exhausting part of the day. Going to work in the morning makes you feel fresh for the day. At 8 in the morning when you leave your house and when you drive to work, you feel like fresh. And then, however, returning, you see, is the hard part. Even coming back home, feeling the same exhaustion. You know, leaving the car, opening the door of the car, closing the door and getting her back home, you're like, it was... Oh, hey.
Hold it.
Okay. Alright. What the heck is that noise? Well, okay, it's not coming from the pool at all. You see there's several garbage cans. And you see, sometimes I do talk about ladder work, and that's what's currently happening at the moment. So I shouldn't get anywhere too close. I'm going to go to the gym anyway, so why would I have to deal with it for this moment? Okay, the exact time it is 3:32 p.m. and yep, now the percentage of all those people driving like stickmen has raised from 20 till 65. So that means I'm going to get caught up to an unexpected jam. Like hardly being able to solve the Rubik's Cube. You know, that kind of congestion. Jeez, yep. That stickman has really gone to the sauna now. And is preparing to put a... Oh wait, what the heck happened? Yeah, this is pretty damn hot, okay? So... Whew. Oh, goodness, wait. What's happening with the floor? Okay, I'll turn the flash on. See this? Yep. Jeez, my feet are gonna burn like hell if they really come off. I'm gonna be in big trouble. Feast. And yep, this time there was not as many people, and there are 2 lessons going on right now, and there's like some sand clocks. Jeez, it's burning. Jeez. Here's a sauna thermometer. Right now it is approximately reading in centigrade 70. Jeez, that is burning right now. And the relative humidity shows at the moment 35%. Well, it feels even less than that. But yeah, since all these candles are lit, and I don't know why it says 12:21 a.m. Like, that time is not correct. In fact, that's not even the time I start my vlog, except for some of the days. But yeah, that's just the steam bath or something that the clock has. Whew, it is burning in here. Imagine working in this shelter your whole entire day, and then after 3 days, you would immediately want to retire. And then, like, after 3 days of working in saunas, if you were a slave in a sauna and then working 3 days in here, wow, you would really be paralyzed. Well, in fact, think about 3 hours. Even that will make you paralyzed as a slave working in saunas. So guys, another reason why I'm going to be making Friday's vlog a little bit short is because I'm going to be greeting up with somebody new. Like, we're going to have a pretty important meeting and stuff. Just a greeting and a meeting. Like, both words rhyme. So yeah, that's why Friday I'm going to do shorter. That's why I'm going to take like 6 or 7 minutes. I wonder if it really started raining at the moment. Because you see, like, when you're in this absolutely hot sauna that makes you sweat so bad, and the next moment you get your door open and then you get your ass out of the sauna, and then you feel, oh, I came from a desert. Like, and if you check up the weather, and maybe it's dust. Phew. It was burning in that sauna. Oh, phew. Not good. It felt like I was being grilled. Just like when you grill a meat, then later you make it a kebab. You see, that's almost that situation I had. Well guys, that ends the day here. And yep, still overcast, and we still didn't have rain. Yep, today was another day that we didn't get the rain, although less than yesterday. Still, we didn't get what we expected. But yeah, kind of funny, I was curious when I was in the sauna, thinking whether if it was actually some dust, but no, it wasn't. It was just a big old cloud. So yep, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Great day.